In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit DNS on a Wix website step by step. This is a super important tutorial if you're trying to connect your domain to another service, set up email records, verify your site with third-party tools, or make any DNS-related changes directly inside Wix. I'll walk you through everything in a clear and beginner-friendly way, so even if you've never touched DNS settings before, you'll be able to follow along. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix and website tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. Then log into your Wix account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage all of your websites, settings, and domains. From the dashboard home screen, look for the Settings option. You'll usually find it in the main dashboard menu. Go ahead and click on Settings to open all the configuration options for your Wix site. Inside the Settings area, scroll until you find the section called Domains. Click on Domains, and this will take you to the page where all the domains connected to your Wix account are listed. Here, you'll see any domains you've purchased through Wix or connected from an external domain registrar. Next to the domain you want to edit, look for the Domain Actions icon. This is usually shown as 3 dots or a small menu icon. Click on that icon to open the domain-specific options. From the drop-down menu, click on Manage DNS Records. This is where you can view and edit all of your DNS settings for that domain. Once you're on the DNS Records page, you'll see different types of records, like A records, CNAME records, MX records, and TXT records. Depending on what you're trying to do, you can add a new record, edit an existing one, or remove a record you no longer need. For example, if you're connecting your domain to an email service, you'll usually be adding or editing MX records. If you're verifying your site with a service like Google or connecting to another platform, you might need to add a TXT or CNAME record. Carefully enter the values provided by the service you're connecting to. Double-check everything for accuracy and then save your changes. After saving, keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate. In some cases, it may work within a few minutes, but it can also take up to 24 or even 48 hours depending on the record and the provider. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit DNS on a Wix website. This process is essential for managing your domain properly and integrating your site with other tools and services. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.